want to go ahead and start by removing our wiper arm covers here. We're going to use a pick, get underneath, and gently pry this up and off. Once that's up, we're going to go ahead and remove this nut. We're going to do the same for the other wiper arm. Using a 13mm socket in our extension, let's go ahead and remove this nut. Now that we have that nut off, we're going to pop our cap back down. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the wiper arm. You want to get an idea where the wiper arm is going to be on your windshield, so when you go to reinstall this, you'll have a general idea. Ours has a pretty good dirt line on there, but if yours is pretty clean, you can use a crayon. You can go ahead and just mark the glass, something you can wipe off afterwards. Once that's marked, let's go ahead and grab a wiper arm and try and work this off. Just going to repeat for the other side. Using a number 7 socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this series of the bolts across our cover here. That doesn't appear to be the original, and it is not. Now we have a series of these little plastic insert pins. I'm just going to use a pair of cutting pliers here and just kind of get in there and pry this up and out. There it is right there. And there's a couple more as we go across, and we'll go ahead and pull those out across the front. Let's go ahead and start removing some of our trim pieces here. Now there's another one of those little buttons right in here. I'm going to use a small pick to get in. Use a pair of our pliers here to just reach on in there and grab that button and wiggle that out. Here we go. Let's continue pulling our center cover off here. Let's take that off, and we're going to set this aside. Behind our corner trim here, when you peel this back, there's a metal tab in the back. I'm going to go ahead and use a pick to get down and release that metal clip. We'll go ahead and remove this trim. We're then going to go ahead and do it for the passenger side. Using a 10mm socket and extension, we're going to remove these 3 bolts holding the wiper transmission arm here, or shaft. go ahead and remove these 3 bolts on the other side here. Now our wiper transmission comes over here to a little ball and socket unit. This is just pressed on to the wiper motor pivot. So we're just going to use a small pry bar and pop that off like so. I'm going to reach in and work the transmission over. Go ahead and feed our wiper transmission in the same way. We got the old one out. Now that we have both pivots bolted into place, I'm gonna go ahead and line up our cup here with that ball. I want to go ahead and pop this onto the wiper motor itself. I'm just going to use some long pliers here, and we're going to go ahead and pinch that on. Now that we have the wiper linkage set up, what we want to do is we're going to put on our wipers, and then we're going to shut them off. This way here, it sets that wiper transmission in its resting position. And now we can go ahead and reassemble. Now I'm going to go ahead and install our center cover right here. Ours was broken. There's normally a 7mm bolt right here that holds this, and this plastic is part of this support. So if you have yours and it's not broken, you want to go ahead and line this up and go ahead and put your 7mm bolt back in here to secure this trim. Then we want to go around and install our little plastic push pins here. And install these all the way across the front. Let's go ahead and install our end cap here. Slide this in. To line up our metal lock tab here. Snap that into place. And let's go ahead and install our 7mm screw here. And we'll go ahead and snug this down. Just snug that gently. Now your center cap here would normally have a screw here as well. Our center cover is broken here as well. But if you have that, install your other 7mm screw here. Once that's done, repeat for the driver's side. Let's go ahead and install our passenger side wiper arm and get this in the general area. Get that blade lined up with that marker on the windshield. Let's go ahead and get that nut started on here. Let's go ahead and snug that down. We'll do the same for our driver's side. Get that popped into place. Once again, wiper blades lined up with our markers there. And we're going to go ahead and snug these down with our 3/8 ratchet. We'll do the same for the other side. Once those are tight, go ahead and press our cap on. And do the same for the driver's side.